Hey, my name is Dev. I've been a serious guitarist for over 3.5 decades. This is Fretboard Fridays, episode 4. And today I'm just going to go over a real simple shape I use all the time when I'm playing on top of a major chord or particularly in a major key. That's really just a major chord with an added second, but the shape opens up the fretboard quite a bit, all the way from the root on the low E to the fifth on the high E. One more time, I'm just going to kind of play through all the notes. It's really straightforward, a sounding kind of arpeggio, I guess, but it always works. It's pretty straightforward. The pattern's over here, and I'm just going to give you a couple small hints and things that work with it. It obviously works really well on the guitar because the fretboard allows you to do like the slides and stuff like that. But also the higher note on the highest note on both the D and the low E work really well for a half note bend, half step bend. And one of the great things about it is you can kind of linger or stall on any note and it will work because it's inside of the chord. But that second that's inside of there, it really can build a tiny bit of tension, but it still is a good resolving note. To illustrate, I'm going to move this up to A. I'm going to freeze that chord and try playing the pattern on top of it. Always works, always sounds good to me.